Welcome back to Primetime News.
Special welcome to those of you watching on onespotmedia.com.
Up first this evening, with less than 2 weeks before the start of the new school year, trouble is again brewing in the education sector.
The new president of the Jamaica Teachers Association, JTA, was in a militant mood as he blamed the finance ministry for unresolved issues with their salaries, even though they raised concern months ago.
Sandy Williams is in Westmoreland covering the JTA's annual conference and now reports.
Leighton Johnson officially took the reins of the Jamaica Teachers Association last evening, replacing the now immediate past president, Losania Harrison. Mr. Johnson has pledged to continue fighting for the resolution of many issues still plaguing teachers and the public education system. At the top of the list, anomalies under the compensation review package.
The matter of the graduate allowance has nothing to do with the Jamaica Teachers Association providing information. It is simply a principle that needs to be applied. We need to apply the principle as agreed in the Memorandum of Understanding that the graduate allowance be paid to the teachers, and that is simply what we ask at this time.
The JTA boss says while teachers have been receiving new salaries under the compensation review, the sums continue to fluctuate each month. Therefore, teachers are still uncertain about how their salaries are calculated. Despite several attempts, Mr. Johnson explained that the JTA is yet to receive critical information from the Ministry of Finance in order to resolve the anomalies.
What we would have loved is that at this point, we wanted information from the ministry to indicate that, or how many teachers were adjusted upwards, how many teachers have to pay back monies. This is the kind of information that we require.
The matter was part of a private discussion as representatives of the media were asked to leave the room. Coming out of the meeting, though, Mr. Johnson says JTA members have not taken a definitive decision on the way forward regarding the unresolved issues. Now, as the teachers continue to wait for a response from the finance minister, anxiety among the educators is growing.
The Ministry of Education met with us in the first week of August, along with the technical team from the Ministry of Finance, to look at one particular outstanding issue, that being how tax is applied. The formula is complicated, and to this point there are still questions. What resonates with us is that the finance minister indicated that the process of this new compensation regime would have simplified the process of compensation. Currently, ladies and gentlemen, we are not seeing how this is easier.
Reporting